Namaste. Welcome to day 24 of our 30-day Carnatic Revision Challenge based on Sangeeta Balapadam Book 1. Today's lesson, Geetham 11, Kamalasulochana. In this revision, we'll sing only the Sahidyam in first and second speeds. If you would like to revise the swaras for all Geethams, check out my Geetham course. I have added the playlist link below. Let's begin. Sa ga re ga ma pa da pa sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa sa ga re ga ma pa da pa sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa Kamala Sulochana Vimala Tatagini Paralagamini Kajiharamadye Bimbhanana Vidumandalaje Chandana Kunkuma Sankalita Parimala Kasturi Tilakataje Jaji Chaya Kachaku Chagana Jaka Namboja Maralagamini Kajiharamadye Bimbhanana Vidumandalaje Kamala Sulochana Vimala Tatagini Maralagamini Kariharamadye Bimbhanana Vidumandalaje Chandana Kunkuma Sankalita Parimala Kasturi Tilakataje Jaji Jaya Kachaku Jagana Jakano Boja Maralagamini Kariharamadye Bimbhanana Vidumandalaje Vidumandalaje. That completes day 24, Geetham 11, Kamalasulochana. Tomorrow we'll move to day 25, Geetham 12. Keep practicing daily to strengthen your voice, rhythm and clarity. Comment where you are joining from and subscribe to continue your 30-day Carnatic journey. Thank you.